Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lasso Tool in Pixlr. It's a very simple step. All you have to do is follow along, and without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's tap in the Pixlr app itself, and here you have to go to this a tool. So I guess this is where the Lasso tool is. So you can see the Lasso. Let's tap in there, and what this does is you can literally so it says remove objects, right? So it's almost like like covering something, like making a circle with a pencil, except for you using your fingertips. So let's say I'm gonna remove this one right here. All you have to do is simply like create the circle type, and this is how you use Lasso tool. And if you hit that remove object, it will get removed. So I hope it was easy. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.